We're out here. Second day in a row.
Makapu'u Makapu'u.
Lighthouse Trail.
Day number 2.
We're out here yesterday,
Yeah.
whale watching, but Evan's camera died, so we came back again today.
We're not prepared. Came out here early today, 7:30 a.m. Gonna spot some whales.
Yeah.
Take some pics. I'm exhausted.
Let's check it out.
Okay, so this is the spot we came to yesterday. It's a pretty sweet spot right off the Makapu'u trail, main trail. Definitely better lighting today because it's 7:30 in the morning and not noon, so hopefully we can spot some whales out here. We saw a ton yesterday, and it was super awesome. So hopefully we can see some today. I got the nice camera with the zoom lens, tripod. Pretty good setup, so should be pretty awesome. Sick. All right, so the GoPro died at Makapu'u, so we didn't get the full time lapse, and we didn't really get much whale footage.
But we have a time lapse from yesterday that we'll put in.
Yeah.
And if the whales came out, I don't know, from yesterday, we can put that in.
Yeah, there might be a blurry or so whale video that we'll put in right now.
If it came out.
If it came out. And yeah. Oh, we just went to Friend Cafe. It was sweet.
Got boba tea.
Got boba tea, did some work.
2.5 hours of work.
Yeah, we had lots of work to do, so that was fun. Julie's about to pass out, so yeah, we'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.